Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, president of Elite, and today I'm joined by a dear friend, actually, a fellow that was, past tense, one of our business development coaches. And the reason I say was is he's still working with us as a business development coach in the background, but in the foreground, he's working with all of our coaches, helping them get to the top. And the reason that he's doing that is he's done such a, I'm here to embarrass you a little bit, he's done such an outstanding job with his clients. We're doing everything that we can do to tap into Kevin and his skills and his experience. Now, with that said, I was talking to him earlier, and we're talking about phone procedures and marketing dollars that guys are invested. And Kevin, you had a really great recommendation that you use with your clients. And do you mind sharing that with all of our visitors today?
Thanks, Bob. First of all, thank you. But no, we like to track lost leads. And what I mean by that is when the phone rings, are we converting that phone call to an appointment? And we got to make it simple. If we make it difficult, the advisors won't do it. So what we like to do is just make a tick mark. When the phone rings, if we convert it to appointment, then there's no tick mark. If we didn't convert to appointment, we make a tick mark. At the end of the week, we add those up. Let's see where our lost leads are. The reason for that is because that tells us whether our marketing is working or not. If I've had clients that think that my marketing is not working, but when we do the lost leads process, we realize that the marketing's working, phones are ringing. We're just not converting them to we're not converting them to appointments. So that's you got to make it simple. If it's not simple, the clients won't do it, or the advisors won't do it.
So if it's simple for them to do, if the advisors know that we're not trying to throw them under the bus, we're trying to find out how we could better help them, right?
Absolutely. We don't do anything to point fingers.
Yeah.
We do it so we can see if there's anything we can do to help them. Maybe they need some phone skills. Well, we can give them some phone skills. Maybe they need to slow down a little bit, like Kevin does once in a while.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Maybe that's what they need. So we measure and monitor things to make sure that we can fix the holes, not to point fingers.
There you go. Now look, the guy that you just heard that from, not only has he done an extraordinary job with us at Elite, but as an FYI, he also owned a group of his own auto repair shops before he retired a few years ago. So he's a guy that's walked the walk, he talks the talk, he's helped a lot of other shop owners with their businesses. So take this ball and run with it. You're going to be thrilled with the results.
Absolutely.
Kevin, thanks so much.
Thanks,
what a
Bob.
really great recommendation, a great recommendation.
Thanks.
Thanks.
You.